Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve problem number 1376, time needed to inform all employees. First, we'll see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So in this problem, we are given 4 inputs where n is the number of employees in the company and head ID refers to the head of the company. So in this case, the 0 is the head of the company. We can see that in the graph, right? And in the manager input, so in this case 0 is the head of 1, that is the manager of 1. So similarly 0 is the head of 2. We could see that in the graph, right? 1 is the head of 3. That is what refers to the indices here, right? So in this problem we have some news, and that news should reach all the employees in the company. So in the input inform time, it refers like we are given the values. These values are time taken to reach the ith employee. So here it takes 2 minutes to reach the employee 3, right? We can just assume like that. And 1 minute to reach the employee 2. That is what the connection between the indices and the values. So we are going to solve this problem using DFS approach, depth first search, right? So now we will see how we are going to do this. Next, I will create a dictionary of managers. So in this case, 0 is the manager. Using the manager input, I have created this. So here 0 is the manager for 1 and 2, right? That's what I've created like a dictionary list. Similarly, 1 is the manager for 3. That's what I created here, right? So in the DFS function, I will be having a max time where I will initialize it as 0 at the start. So now we are going to use this graph to calculate the max time, right? Which will be better for the explanation. So we need to start from the head ID 0. So we are going to start from 0. So when we reach 0, we need to check whether 0 is the manager of any other employee. Yes, 0 is a manager of 1, right? We need to go further. Then we will go to 1. Now again we need to check whether 1 is the manager of any employee. Yes, 1 is a manager of 3, right? We will be here. So to go like this, I will use the dictionary which we created here. I'm just showing the visualization of how the program works, right? I'm not using the dictionary to explain now. We are just seeing the graph that is given. We need to pick the inform time of 3. So the employee 3 has 2, right? We need to take the current maximum time 0 and we need to add 2, right? So the maximum time is 2 now. And we need to take maximum between these two. So the main maximum time is 2. We need to update our maximum time. Now we need to return the maximum time here. So the updated maximum time is 2 now. Now we need to check the employee 1's informed time, which is nothing but 3, right? So the 1 is nothing but the ith employee. So we will take 3 and we will add the current maximum time, that is 2. So we are going to get 5, right? And we need to take maximum between these two. So the current maximum time is 5. So we will distribute the max time from the managers. That's how we initialize the maximum time for each and every employee. So from 0, we have to check 2 now, right? So from 0, there was 0 as my max time. So 0 will be the max time for the current employee 2. Now we need to check 2. So basically we are freezing the previous stages, right? Now we need to look the employee 2. The employee 2 inform time is 1. So 0 plus 1. So the maximum time seen from 1 is 5. But we haven't gone this side. This side is 0. We have only updated this side, right? Not even there. From 1 to 3. In the side of 2, we haven't seen anything yet. So what we initialized at the start will be the max time, that is 0. So 0 plus 1, we are going to get 1. And we need to take maximum between these two. That is the max time seen so far in this path and maximum time seen so far in this path. So we are going to get 5, right? We don't have to change the max time. It's going to be 5, so I will return 5, right? So here the max time will be 5. Now we need to check the current employee 0. So the 0th employee inform time is 3. So 5 plus 3, which is nothing but 8. So maximum between 5 and 8 is 8, right? So we will return 8 as my answer. That's how the logic works. So now we will see the code. Before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. Now to check out my previous videos and keep supporting, guys. So here we are creating a dictionary of list where key will be the managers and the values will be the employees of that managers, right? Here I will write a DFS function where I will start with the head ID and I will send inform time and the dictionary of list that we created. So in the DFS function, I will initialize maximum time as 0. So from the head ID 0, I will start checking each and every employee and their direct subordinates. And I will calculate the maximum time taken for the news to reach all the employees in the company, right? That's all the code is. Now we will run the code. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. Now to check out my previous videos, keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.